Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tips, Tricks and Tech. Today we came with a newer video. We're gonna show you our new e-go lawnmower. Okay, anyway, this is 56 volt unit, and I have a battery that comes with it. I'm going to show you how to put it all there, how to turn on the video, how to turn on the lawnmower, how to do all these things in one video, because I was looking in YouTube and they have multiple different videos and the pain in the butt. So this video is just a capsule for all those things. Okay, so this is the battery that comes with it. All you have to do, just lift up the cover in the front, lift it up, it comes out like that. So that's a battery compartment right there.
You have to put the battery inside of that,
inside.
and
So
then you put it in.
Yeah, you just go like this, you get a click and you see that light green comes up, right?
If you want to take it out, you just have to press this
push
button, and then I can't even take that. It's so
okay.
heavy.
So we'll come to that point when we go to charging, but let me put that thing. Okay, and there's a switch here, and if you click that switch, you'll see that light comes on right here. There's a headlight here, that light comes on. So if you want to do it at night, but I won't recommend it, but if you want to do it at night, you can click that, and you one push again, it will turn off the light. Okay, and to control the height of the lawnmower, all you have to do, just flip to this side, and then you go down like this to 1. But I always recommend, for my lawn, I put it on a 3, number 3, right here. That's the level I choose it. This handle right here, you can be fold it all the way, adjust it, fold it all the way down. Stay back a little bit so you can see. So fold it all the way down, and to do this, push it, it come off, so you can easily transport it.
Well, if you want to keep it that way, if you want to store it and you can't fit it, you can just do that.
Exactly, so you can do that. And there's a height adjustment here. All you have to do, just take up this bar. You can come all the way down here up to here, and you can adjust the bar, and there's a hole, you align it, and you just push it back in. Okay, and this one controls the speed of the self-propeller thing, which I'll come to you. But the biggest thing we need to know is how to start the engine, right? Yep. To start the engine, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this thing down, and you're gonna clip this here. You see that here? Let me show you in the front. Okay, come closer. So that's how you turn it on. It doesn't, if you push this thing and push it on, it doesn't work. So you have to push this button down and then click it. And as you click it, you see that green light come on. Propeller, you have to push this, so this moves by itself. You stop it like that, so push this. So when you do this, you're just gonna hold it like this. So that's how you do it. And to adjust the speed, you come here, you can adjust the speed all the way down, and then it'll be faster. Just so fast. Alright? So, and to do the propeller thing, you don't need to be turned on or like that. You could just hold this, and it just goes fast. So you don't need to, just to use a propeller, you don't need to turn on the blades. To turn on the blades, that's how you do it. You push and hold, and then do this.
That's a nice motor sound.
All right, so that's how you do it. Okay, another thing I'm going to show you, having attached grass catcher. To attach it, you lift it up and you just put it here. I'm going to show you how to do that. Grass catcher. So this one, you lift it up. Okay, and you put it over here, and that's it. That's how you attach
it looks like upgraded.
Yes, and if you don't want to use the grass catcher because you don't want to change it all the time, you could do this. So this one goes like this, goes down and goes up. So there's a thing that you can put it like this. It goes like this, and then you cover this like this, so the grass will come out this way out, so it will not get stuck. So all the grasses will come out here, and this way
We're gonna do cutting. Look at that go!
Now I'm going to show you how to take out the battery. All you have to do, just push it down, it will pop up. And this is a little heavy because it's a 7.5 amp battery. Okay, this is the biggest battery we have. And to put in the charger, let me show you the charger.
entering.
This is the charger right here. So you just plug it into right here, and all you have to do just goes
Slide
like this.
it in.
Slide it in, and it just doesn't have any click or anything like that. It just goes in, and we'll tell you how much percentage charge right now. This is 100% right now, and it's charging right here. So all you have to do is just lift it up. There's no click or anything like that. You just lift it up like this. It will come off. Okay, so that's how you charge.
Easily.
If you have any question, please say it in the comment section below. We will definitely answer it, and please.
If we have a chance, though.
Exactly. We'll do it. Don't worry. I
Alright.
always reply. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be coming out with another video. And if you want me to do another video, please let me know in my comments. So I'll do that too. And I'll see you with another video. Till then, it's me, Aldos, and Ethan. Bye bye.